Coming into the house, you've got a vaulted ceiling in the living room, wood-burning fireplace, natural light. You've got wood laminate floors that are hand scraped. You've got plantation shutters. This opens up to the back here. You got tile floors, and then back to the wood laminate, up to the kitchen. Decent sized kitchen here with all the appliances. Again, the plantation shutters and bay window, sliding glass door to the backyard, pantry. Then here to the left, you've got the washer and dryer area. Here to the right, you've got just a closet. And then straight ahead is one bedroom and a second bedroom. Off to the master here. Got sliding doors here to a closet. Carpet's in pretty good shape. Walls are in pretty good shape. This comes back to the bathroom. You've got a vanity on either side. So one here, one there, and then it goes back into the tub shower combo and toilet area. And then coming back out, you can see down the hallway to the garage. On the left are these two bedrooms. Standard closet, fanning around and back out. On the right side of the hallway here is the bathroom, tile floors, standard fiberglass tub shower combo, vanity there, and then back in here you've got the third bedroom. Again, same size closet. Out to the laundry room, or excuse me, to the garage. Decent sized garage. Very deep, actually. Side door there, and then your HVAC and water heater.